Yes, our next category, Best Debut Restaurant. Anjan Chatterjee and I are in Juhu at the Spare Kitchen. And this is an interesting place, Anjan.
I really like the openness here, and I think the kind of cuisine it serves is really interesting.
Yeah, and I think that something over here is something that they call interactive and progressive. So I think the best thing for us to do is get to the table and experience it.
Action.
Yeah? So Anjan, a lot of food on the table.
Lots of food, I must say that, and this looks fantastic. Look at the presentation, Kunal. I mean, I must tell you that this is not the way you're used to it. So what they're doing is that they're creating a differentiator right on the table, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah.
Completely soup shot is a new thing.
It's a good idea.
Great idea.
Speaking of shots, this is your.
Mera rang de basanti chola.
But this is like eating on the rasta of Bombay. So you've got a little bit of pav bhaji, vada pav, bhel puri and pani puri. May I?
Cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Jai ho. Terrific. Very good.
But you've got this fairly large space here. Pricing wise also, I think means it's all priced within, say, 495 to 500 rupees, which is a good price.
Absolutely fine, because one of these fills you. So the starters give you a chance, you can share, the sharing is there. So there's absolutely balanced menu.
This is Malbari mutton or an uttappam. Mini uttappam.
क्या सोच है एकदम मलबार का मसाला.
I think we've got one more Indian thing left, which we can just have a quick look at.
Oh, the age-old biryani.
With the biryani.
Very nice. पर्दे वाला.
पर्दे वाला.
पर्दा है पर्दा. वाह वाह वाह.
You got a biryani at one end. You got a Sri Lankan curry at the other, which is a wannabe Sri Lankan curry with fish in it.
I like the wannabe.
Yeah. It's wannabe because it's got Madras curry powder in it.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
कोकोनट का बेस है.
Coconut based है curry को. Creamy है. Not bad.
ये तो चाय का गिलास है कुणाल.
चाय है. Chocolate है. So this spoon with the chocolate goes into the chai and becomes a chocolate chai. And the spoon starts melting. Interesting, no? So they've got this thing about desserts where you give a variety of tastes, especially that one with the banoffee pie, which has been sort of taken apart.
You want more interactive.
More interactive. Besides the food being quite nice,
the presentation
is great.
Fantastic.
The space is good.
The ambience, look at the elbow room. I really love it. It's spread very well. And we have an outdoor there. So that's
outdoor, little lounge area. And the price points are good.
Very good.
I think it's a great contender for best debut restaurant.
Absolutely.
And Anjan agrees with me.
Fully.
Let's move on.
Move on.
So Anjan,
आ गए हम गजाली में.
गजाली में आ गए.
Yours and mine favorite.
Favorite because the Purana. The category is best seafood.
Absolutely.
And this place is known for its seafood.
Action करना है और यहीं पे खाना खाना है.
चलो तो एक्शन करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं और थोड़ा जजिंग भी करेंगे उसके बाद. चलो let's go.
चलो सर. चलो.
I'm going to start with this, the crab. Okay, this is a tandoori crab. Excellent.
Look at the freshness.
It is.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Very well cooked, balanced.
This stuffed Bombay duck is supposed to be spectacular.
My God.
You have the Bombay duck. I'm going to attack the curry, the prawn curry. Arjun, whenever we talk coastal cuisine, the one thing that is common to the coast is seafood and coconut. Hence, the curry becomes a very integral part of.
I agree with you. I agree with you. I'm going to try the fish seekh kebab. You never get a fish seekh kebab which is so soft.
Yeah, and it's still firm.
Absolutely, yes. This is the classic rava
fry.
fry. Consistent. Perfect.
My co-jury member, Arjun Chatterjee, has stopped talking because he's eating now. Bas, one more category down. Let's see what's coming up after this. Another category, another nominee, this time Best International Cuisine. And the nominee is
China House.
at the Grand Hyatt, Mumbai.
Good luck. It's supposed to
Good
be
luck. So we're starting with the beggar's chicken, and then we're going to proceed to attack this whole table, which is full of food. It's a unique method of cooking this, slow cooking for hours. Now, the duck, which has been beautifully carved, skin and bone.
This is easily the best Peking duck in town.
We start with the skin. Lovely, crunchy. Here goes.
Perfect. Shanghai soup dumpling. It's got soup inside it.
Really?
Pop, you go.
It's wonderful. It's really nice. Rashmi, lamb shank for you.
Ooh, wow, look at that. Obscene looking lamb.
Obscene looking lamb shank.
Please notice the spice levels are really, really high on this one. After the food here is from Sichuan and Beijing.
Okay, now this is chicken
Prawns?
with red dry chilies. I love it. My kind of food. Dry, nutty, crunchy.
Look at the wonderful, vibrant colors on the plate.
Absolutely. You've got
You know?
the reds, the greens. And this, look at this.
And nothing is overcooked or made into a bland, pale mess. And the decor of this restaurant is beautiful. Isn't it vibrant?
It is. Yes, the category is Best International Food. This is China House, Grand Hyatt, Mumbai. Rashmi and me signing off on this one.